When we travel with elephant, it's not an easy at all. Some elephant not agree to stay on the truck. They was climbing up on the rail, smack the truck and damage the truck. We don't have our transportation truck, so we have to rent the truck. We have a very old truck, which is very nervous for me. We have to alert all the time. Sometimes the truck broken during the halfway and we have to spend like all day wait for the mechanic to fix. Elephants stand and hot in the hot sun, so this is the problem and we challenge for many times. We rescue more than 200 elephants, including so far today. We have donation to donate beautiful and strong truck. In the truck we have a water fountain, the light system, the bed for Mahmoud and vet. We have many things. This is like a winch in case of the elephant are difficult to walk. We have many functions in the truck that is make our job more easy. The most important, very strong and very easy to set in. We make the design too comfortable for elephant. It takes us about 6 months design and to have a manufacturing. Sopa is one of the first lucky elephant walk into the truck. Only 30 seconds to walk into the truck. We have a lot of successful stories and many of them become transformers, beautiful. And this is our journey story, how I travel with elephant. Thank you, Jennifer McCausland, for your donation. We are the Center for a Humane Economy. And to help us to have this beautiful truck, we can use this truck to help many elephants and to help the other animals that need help.